Afternoon, Vinas.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, so I really like the smile which you have always. That's really nice. Okay, so shall we start?
Okay.
Okay. Right. So we were doing this 10th lesson. So we'll do the exercise. Take the textbook.
Textbook teacher.
Yes, textbook. I'll display it. Don't worry. Turn to page number 49. So if you have, don't worry. Display.
Textbook I didn't bring it today, teacher.
Right. It's okay. You see, I have already displayed. No problem.
Like,
Right. Okay. We'll start doing. Can you remember to do? Because we have done this in the not yesterday, week before. Yes, week before week. Can you remember multiplication of length? How are we
yesterday we
going to do?
did.
Yesterday also we did. Yes, yes. Right. Okay. So shall we try to do this one? So first few minutes, we try to do it. After that,
Uh,
if we'll discuss it together, right? This question.
okay.
Question
The exercise 16.3, teacher.
16.3, question number 1, right? I have circled it. We
Uh,
have 6 questions. We'll try to do it. Try to do it alone. After that, I'll help you.
okay. If I have doubt, I can ask, right?
Obviously, you can ask. Okay, and I'm looking at you.
Excuse me, teacher. Should I put revision?
No need. Put exercise 16.3 and have it. Okay.
Uh,
Put the date, right? Today's
uh,
25th of
Excuse me, teacher.
Thing.
I have third one doubt.
Third one, doubt. What is the doubt you have?
I wrote the answer 3675. I don't know
Okay,
how to write into meter and centimeter.
right, keep it like.
Okay.
Then do the fourth, fifth, and sixth.
I'm going to do that one now.
Okay.
Teacher, should I do everything?
Only the first six questions.
Okay.
Is
And you
that?
will explain. And you will explain, no, teacher?
Yes. Have you finished? Done.
No.
Then
I'm
which one?
giving the answer.
Which one you are doing?
Fifth one.
Ah,
I'm
fifth
going to
one.
finish.
Ah, okay, okay. Quickly finish it. Yes.
I am thinking the answer for fifth one, teacher.
You're thinking the answer. Why are you thinking? You have to do the sum and you have to answer. Why are you thinking?
And
And
no, the answer is not coming to my mind. That's what.
there is nothing like that. You can't answer. Okay, come, we'll see.
Right.
Have 5 centimeter and 2 millimeter multiplied by. Okay, before we do this one, shall we do some conversions? Then it will be easy. Okay, first we'll do with centimeter and millimeter. Right? Can you remember? Yesterday I gave you centimeter and millimeter. What is the smaller unit? Millimeter is the smaller unit. When you're converting larger unit to smaller unit, larger
And
unit to smaller unit, multiply this one. You
divide,
have to
divide.
divide. Right? So centimeters and millimeters, the relationship is 10. 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters.
Yes.
By 10 and divided by
10.
10. Right. So if I ask you, if 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, how much is 2 centimeters?
20 millimeter.
3 millimeter. Right? If 5 centimeter,
50 millimeter.
50 millimeter. Very good. Then 12 centimeter.
120 millimeter.
Very good. 120 millimeter. You have to add 1 0. Right? Okay. Right. Then if you are going to convert millimeter into centimeter, 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So what can you say about 30 millimeter?
3
30
centimeter.
meter. Good. So what about 70 millimeter?
7 centimeter.
Very good. 150 millimeter.
5 centimeter.
5,
15 centimeter. I didn't
15,
see the one.
15 centimeter. Right now, this one, do you have any doubt?
No. No.
Quickly,
In centimeter.
if you want to note it down, you can note it in somewhere separately. We want it.
Yeah.
Okay, then quickly have a small note. This revision. So if you need, you can have revision and have a note.
Dust. Dust is coming. So I couldn't see you, teacher.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Right. Then we'll have meters and centimeters. When you are converting larger unit to smaller unit, multiplication, this is division, right? Relationship is 100. Right? Okay. So now tell me, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, what can you say about 2 meters? 200 meters. Okay. So what about 7 meters is equal to
700 centimeter.
centimeters, right? So if it is 6 meters and 20 centimeters, how much is it?
620 centimeter.
Very good, 620 centimeters. It's 8 meters and 3 centimeters. How much is it?
803 centimeter.
103 centimeters. Very
Three.
good. Okay. Right. Now we'll convert centimeters to meters. If 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter, what can you say about 500 centimeters?
5 meter.
5 meters. Very good. 1000 centimeter is equal to how many meters?
Mm, 10 meter.
10 meters, right? 407. 407 centimeters equal to 3 meters.
40.
No, now 100 is equal to 1 put it. Now here 407 centimeters. So you can write this one as 400.
4.7.
Wait, no. 400, yes, 4.7, correct. 400, not 4.7, 4.07. Right, 400 plus 7 centimeter. You can write like this, no? 407 you can write.
Yes.
Right.
Yes, you teach this better than you, no, teacher.
Right. 400 centimeters, 4 meters and 7 centimeters. Right, like, okay? Right?
Okay.
Right. Now tell me about this one. 928 centimeters.
92 centimeters.
So tell me, how are you going to write now? 407, how did I write? 400 plus 7. So 928, how can you write it?
9 meter.
No, don't tell meters and other things. Just tell me 407, how can you write? 400 plus 7. 407 is
900 plus 28.
Anna, correct. 900 centimeter plus 28. 900 centimeter, you can write it as 9 meter and this is 28 centimeter. Okay. Okay, right. Quickly note it down there.
Okay. Excuse me, teacher. I have a doubt. How many millimeters equals to 1 meter, teacher?
How many millimeters per 1
Meter.
meter? Right.
I don't know that.
Right.
Our
So,
school also taught us. I couldn't understand.
right. So, 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to how many
100.
100 centimeter. Right. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter?
10
10
millimeter.
millimeter. So you have 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So what can you say about 100 centimeter? If 1 centimeter is 10, 100 is how much? 100
10.
is equal to, now
10.
how did you find 2 centimeter? That is equal to 20, right? You add 1 0. Add 1 0.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. 40 centimeter is equal to 400
4.
millimeter. Right. 9 centimeter is equal to 99 centimeter is equal to
90.
990.
Ah.
Right. What can you say about 100 centimeter therefore? Equal to 1000 millimeter. So therefore 1 meter is equal to 1000.
Okay.
Okay. Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Which I have finished writing.
Go to the next part. Oh my God. Right. Then we'll see kilometers and meters. Kilometers and meters. Right. So relationship is 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. When you're converting, you have to multiply. Here you have to divide. Right. Multiply by 1000 and divide by 1000. Okay. Right. And next, if 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, what can you say about 2 kilometers? So, then 7 kilometers is equal to?
7,000.
Right, very good. If 8 kilometers and 99 meters is equal to?
8,909.
999 or 99?
No, 8,099.
8099. Right. So 10 kilometers and 5 meters is equal to how much?
1,005.
No. 10 kilometers is equal to 10,000 meters. 10,000 plus 5 is 10,005. Okay, right? Next, 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. What can you say about 5,000 meters?
5 kilometers.
5 kilometers. Very simple, ne?
Hmm.
2,500 meters is equal to how much?
25 kilometers.
Think about the zeros, Putte. Here you have how many zeros? 3 zeros, but here 2, 1 say 25. Right? 1,000 is equal to 1, 5,000 is equal to 5. So what can you say about 2,500? 2,500 you can write it as 2,000 meters plus 500 meters, isn't it? Right. Then 2,000 meters equal to 2 kilometers. You have 500 meters. Okay? Right. Now tell me this one. 7,928 meters.
7,000
Hmm?
meter, kilometer,
Hmm?
900
8 meters. So you have 7 kilometers and 28 meters.
128 meters.
Right. Quickly note it down.
Okay. Excuse me, teacher. I'll go to the washroom and come quickly.
Okay. Darling, shall we discuss the answers which you have done in the exercise? Point 3. Did you finish writing this? Why?
Nothing, teacher.
Okay, then shall I erase the board?
Yes.
Right, so now do you have any doubt regarding conversions?
No.
No. Now you can convert anything, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so don't forget it. I know it will forget it after 2-3 weeks. So what you have to do for that?
We should study.
Not studying. Studying, you have to practice sums. Do the sums again and again. After
Okay.
2-3 weeks, the sums which you have in the textbook, again and again, the sums, right?
Okay.
Then you won't forget it after weeks. I know you will forget it. That is okay. Now 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? I can't. So practice more, then you confident, right? So quickly we'll see 5 centimeter 2 millimeter multiplied by 5. Multiplied by 5. First we need to make it as millimeters. How are we going to do it? 5 centimeter is equal to 50 millimeter and 2 millimeter. 50
Yeah.
plus 2 is
52.
52 multiplied by 5. How much? 0, 1 and 260 millimeters. 260 millimeters equal to how many centimeters?
2 centimeters, 60.
26 centimeters.
Yes.
Why? 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So if 20 millimeter is equal to 2 centimeter,
Yeah.
90 millimeter is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay? 100 millimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So how do you convert millimeters to centimeters? You have to forget. You have to remove one zero. Okay? See?
Yeah.
You have to remove one zero.
Okay, now I understood.
Right. Millimeters to centimeters, you have to remove one zero. Centimeters to millimeters, you have to add one zero. Okay?
Okay, now I understood.
Millimeters to centimeters, what happened? You remove one
1
zero.
0.
Centimeters to millimeters, you
We should add
add
1
one
0.
zero. Right. Okay? When it comes to centimeters and meters, you have to add and subtract two zeros. Okay? Kilometers and meters, it becomes 3 zeros. Okay. Then we'll see the next one. 12 centimeter and 7 millimeter.
Okay.
12 centimeter and 7 millimeter. 12 centimeter, when we convert it to millimeters, you have to add one zero.
127?
Very good. 127 millimeter multiplied by 5. So when you multiply it by 5, how much? 10, 13, 1, 5 and 635 millimeter. Like this one. This one, how are you going to make? Now there are no zeros with it to subtract. This one you can write it as 630 millimeter plus 5 millimeter. Can write? Can make it as a multiples of 10. 630 plus 5. Right. Now 630 you can convert it to centimeter. How? 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 Millimeters to centimeters, how? Have to remove?
We should remove 1 0.
63 centimeter and 5 millimeter answer.
Yes, my answer is correct.
Excellent. Right. Third one we'll see 5 and 55 centimeters. 5 meters, 25 centimeters multiplied by 7. You have to convert it to centimeter. 5 meters is equal to how many centimeters?
50.
Meters. Meters with
500.
500 centimeters. 500 centimeters and 20 meters, so 525 meters. Have to multiply it by 7. 7 times 5? 5. 14 plus 3 is 17. 1, 55 and 36.
Yes.
3675 meters.
This is the answer I don't know.
Right. So this one, what you need to do, you have to write it as a multiple of 100. So you can write it as 3600 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. Okay. 3600 centimeter is equal to 36 meter 75 centimeter. Okay.
36 meter 75 centimeter. Okay.
Next one, 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Multiplied by 15. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 50 centimeter is equal to 250 centimeter. Multiplied by
15.
It will multiply 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5, 25. 5, 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2 is 12. Right? Then 0 here. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 2, 2. 0, 5, 7 and 3. How what? 3750 centimeter. This one I can write it as 3700 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. 3700 centimeter is 37 meter plus 50. Okay.
Okay. 1 minute. I'll write. One, two, three. Okay.
Okay. Then we have 35 kilometers 7 meters multiplied by 6. Kilometers. 35 kilometers mean how many meters?
2005.
35,000. You have to have 3 zeros. Kilometers, 3 zeros. Right? Meters only 2 zeros and sorry, and millimeters 1 zero. And 7 meters. So you have 35,007 meters multiplied by 6. 6 times 7, 2, 4, 4, 0, 0, 3, 18, 19, 21. So you have 210,042 meters. This can be written as 210,000 plus 42 meters. Right? This is equal to 210 kilometers and 42 meters. Okay.
Okay.
Have 2 kilometers, 450 meters, divided by 16, a large number. The 2 is equal to 2000 meters, 450 meters. So altogether you will be having 2450 multiplied by 60. Right? 0, 0, 3, 24 and 27, 2, 8, 12, 13, 14, 0, 1 times 0, 1 times 5, 1 times 4 times 2. Sorry, 1 times 2 is 2. Okay. Then you have 0, 0, 2, 1, 3. 39,200 meters. We can write this as 39,000 meters plus 200 meters, which is equal to 39 kilometers 100. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right, then that's all. Okay, that's all for today. And we'll meet on next Saturday. Next Saturday. Very nice. Right, okay, then
Like the class is finished quickly.
1 hour. Because I have grade 6 class next for 30 to. Okay,
Okay.
right, then we'll wind up. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye. Bye, teacher.